Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Hi guys, do you know the meaning of Om Namah Shivaya? Om means soul, Na means earth, Bhumi, Ma means water, Shi means fire, Agni, Va means air, Vayu, Ya means Akash, sky. So, Mahadeva Swayambhu Shiva is the soul of earth, water, fire, Vayu and Akash of every creatures. So, if you are the devotees of Hara Hara Mahadev, Lord Krishna, Shiva, please like, share, subscribe. Bye.